Hi, everybody. It's Mark Phillips. I have this update that I wanted to share with you. Paul Marinelli, who does PR for Dayco out of Australia, he sent me something just blows my mind. As you know, northern Italy has been hit very hard by the coronavirus, and they have a research facility located there. Dayco does, and they began making parts for a snorkeling mask that can be converted into a sort of an ad hoc or ventilator. And as you can see, most of what you see is the mask, and at the top is the part that Dayco is producing currently. And what Dayco has also taken the next step, and it's offering up plans to make the parts for the snorkeling mask, that the parts that actually connect to make it a ventilator. They have provided a link to all of those parts, which I'll put in the description of this video. But I just wanted to share with you what companies in the automotive aftermarket are doing right now, because we've heard Tesla making ventilators, and companies in the automotive aftermarket globally have machines to do the most amazing things, and thus far they've been producing parts for cars. But that doesn't mean they can't do something else really special. So I just wanted to give a shout out to Dayco and commend them for their great work. They're doing something really great that I know is going to save lives. And I'll have more updates on companies doing some really great things as the days and weeks go on ahead. And great job, guys. A great job all around, and keep up the great work.